Ever fall asleep in front of the TV? With the sleep timer in Crestron Home, you can let your tech handle it for you. With the app open, head to the living room, tap the video tile, and here we see our Apple TV is playing. See this moon icon? That's your sleep timer. Tap it, set the timer to turn off the TV in an hour and a half. Done! It's perfect for those times when you might nod off during a late-night show, keeping your space efficient and energy conscious. That's how easy it is to use the sleep timer in Crestron Home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.